Hello guys, welcome to CAT Tutorial by Raki YouTube channel. In this video, I will solve the exercise number 18 using AutoCAD 2D drawing. All dimensions are in millimeter. Let's go AutoCAD. First, I will make it a circle. Dia 28, radius 28. This dia also 28, radius 20. Distance between 110. First, I will make it as dia 28 and radius 28. And I will make it as circle center line. And this distance is 110, offset 110. They extend to this line and circle dia 28 and circle radius is 20 and this radius is 185. This radius is 85. Make it as tan radius. Click on circle outer to outer. Make it as 185 and trim unwanted material. And this dia is 85. This radius is 85. We'll let radius 85. Click on circle to circle and remove the unwanted material. Okay. And next one dia radius is 40. This radius is 28. This radius is 140. Circle. This radius is 40. This radius is 28. This radius is 140. Click on tan radius. Click on circle outer to circle out. Make it as 140 and trim the unwanted material. And here also, this one also 140 radius. This also 140 radius. I will make select circle tan radius. Click on the circle to circle. Make it as 140. Again click on tan radius. Click on to circle. Make it as 140. Trim unwanted material. And this one also unwanted material to trim. And carefully trim the unwanted material and extend center line to circle end. And this one dia is 16, 30, 47. Offset 30 and offset 47. The circle dia is 16 and remove the line. The drawing is completed. Make it a center line, color and dimension. Go to AutoCAD. Make it a select the line. The line type is center and line color is green. And I will match. And this one is I will take it as color 30 and I will match the color. The drawing is fully ready and I will make it as dimension. First radius is 140 and this radius also 140. and this radius is 28 and this radius is 140. This radius is 28, this radius is 20, and this die is 16 and this die is 28. Two numbers, write it on two numbers, and this radius is 85, this radius is 185. Okay, the drawing is fully completed. Please like and share my video. You get more information. Subscribe our channel to get more information. Thank you for watching.